Unlock your potential. Mastering concentration for English listening skills. Hello and welcome, English learners. In today's session, we will be talking about an incredibly important aspect of English listening skills, developing concentration and focus. This ability can dramatically enhance your understanding when listening to academic lectures and presentations in English. Concentration is all about directing your mental resources on one specific task. In the context of English language learning, concentration helps you to actively listen and understand what is being said, especially during academic lectures or presentations. Without good concentration, you may miss key points, misunderstand the context, or fail to grasp the speaker's intent. To successfully understand and learn from lectures or presentations, you must be able to concentrate for extended periods. This helps you 1. Catch every word. A focused mind is less likely to miss out on words or phrases that are crucial to understanding the context. 2. Understand the context. Concentrating allows you to keep up with the speaker's train of thought and understand the overall message. 3. Note nuances. Active listening can help you pick up on subtleties like tone, intonation, and the speaker's mood. 4. Recall information. The more focused you are, the easier it will be to remember and recall information later. Now let's explore some strategies to improve your concentration and focus. 1. Create a distraction-free environment. Find a quiet place where you can focus on the lecture or presentation without interruptions. Put away your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and ask others not to disturb you. 2. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves paying full attention to what you're doing at the moment. Try mindfulness exercises, such as deep breathing or meditation, to improve your overall concentration levels. 3. Take breaks. Avoid listening for long stretches without breaks. Take short breaks every 20 to 30 minutes to help refresh your mind and maintain high levels of focus. 4. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can significantly improve your ability to concentrate. 5. Keep a notepad. Jot down important points as you listen. This engages multiple senses and can help improve focus and recall. Mastering concentration and focus is an essential part of enhancing your English listening skills. With practice, you can significantly improve your ability to understand and learn from English academic lectures and presentations. We hope these strategies prove helpful in your language learning journey. Remember, practice is key. Until next time, happy learning!